My name is Perry Crafton, and I'm the Dean of the Arts and Digital Media Division here at Austin Community College. And on behalf of everyone in our creative division, I want to welcome you to the 2023 Austin Studio Tour. You know, we're very fortunate here at ACC to be surrounded by faculty, staff, and an administration that values community in the arts. And you are a vital part of that community. And while you're here this weekend, we invite you to experience everything that we have in our studio art, our galleries, our student showcases in ceramics and jewelry and printmaking. But beyond Austin Studio Tour, we have entire creative departments that are in the performing, visual, fine, and creative technologies in all of the arts. You can expect to be entertained, you can expect to be enlightened, and you can expect to be moved by all of the work that we have as we train the generation of the future of professional artists. Thank you so much for being here, and we certainly hope you enjoy your experience here at the Austin Studio Tour. Thank you.